Welcome back to Starkey Farmstead. It's Steven. We're cleaning nest boxes today. Needless to say, I done bleached and washed them. Got them all cleaned up. Now comes the fun part with a propane bottle and torch. What you do is you burn them. It burns the hair, any kind of bacteria, hair, wood shavings that had blood or anything like that on it. So now I'm fitting to burn the bottoms, and then once I do the bottoms, I flip them over and do the insides. And I'm out of gas. See how it froze up?
Yeah. Oh, wow. So that's how you know you're getting close to the end of the tank?
Pretty much.
Okay, real quick question for your viewers. Why would you want to make sure there's no leftover rabbit fur in a box?
So you don't know which box goes to which mama, and it takes the scent out of them. So each mama has their own scent she puts in the box. So you take the scent out by bleaching it and then burning it and taking all the loose hair that's in there out of it. You burn the hair out, there's no scent left.
Okay, real quick, explain to them what'll happen if she sends another rabbit in that box.
Usually she won't get in that box and lay her eggs, have her babies, and that's pretty much what she'll do. She'll end up having them on the wire if you got hair on them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and comments if you want.